guys, it's Kelley Langford here at Coffee Creek Apartments. I am the property manager here, and I've been out here for 7 years. I have been with Case for 10 years though. But I wanted to talk about Coffee Creek and the property and the maintenance team. We do have a really great maintenance team which keeps up with all the beautiful amenities that Coffee Creek has to offer. For one is our sparkling pool. And then the grounds. The porter here, he does a really good job at keeping the property beautiful. We do have an outdoor kitchen that we know Scott Case likes for us to keep clean. And so yeah, our porter does a really great job at that too. But another feature is just the staff overall. We like to make the property welcoming and fun and inviting for everybody. We work hard and play hard at the same time. That is kind of like our motto here. So one of the things that we really strive here for is making our monthly collection bonuses. And one thing that we'll do to make sure we get those bonuses is go knocking on people's doors. Management. It's always nice to have a little bit of extra money to go shopping, and it's always nice to have a perfect P&L. One of the reasons that we stay full here at Coffee Creek is by maintaining a beautiful P&L and a positive NOI. And by doing that, we like to go marketing. We do a lot of social media posts, which don't take my word, go check out our Facebook page. The utility income is really important for our monthly P&L. So here at Coffee Creek, we check our vacants and make sure the breakers are off. And we also check the property for leaks or any sprinkler leaks that we might have on property. And we know how Lacey is with the water bill, so we don't want to be on her naughty list. So come check out Coffee Creek.